Backyard now, septic tank install. Below the clay layer down here, about 7 to 8 feet deep. You can zoom in, you can actually see how you can see a pronounced line of the clay layer, kind of a blue, and a little gravel right above it. We've removed these tanks. They're not going to use them. We're going to bring the big concrete tanks now. They have to come down around the side. They're coming in. Of course, they're just not off the shelf. We won't get those till Monday or Tuesday of next week. And we have to bring in a special piece of heavy equipment to bring these tanks down around the side of the house and get them in the hole. In the meantime, out back to the property line, this is the retaining wall we looked at before. We've built this now. This is actually, on this side it's about 2 feet tall. Down at the other end, down there, it's 4 feet. There's a footing. So we're going to backfill into this wall a few inches higher yet. And on the top of this wall, we're going to put in a series of metal fence posts. We're going to drill holes in the concrete, 4 holes for each post, down about 4 or 5 inches, big anchor bolts with epoxy. The fence posts will come in here, and then we're going to fill these in between the posts with the panels. This will be 5 feet tall, so this will be kind of a security fence, privacy fence, everything. Back over to the house again, you can see the cantilevered portion where the stairs are going to come out, and then we'll build a stairway system down off of that, down to the bottom of the ground. That's how you come off the deck. The guys again are putting in the windows today. You can see the flashing that they've got started on the outside. So we are there today.